have a lot of ice. Well, it's kind of crunchy out here, but we didn't get a lot of ice. But I wanted to try something before Nathaniel got up, because if he saw me out here with one of his skimboards, he'd probably shoot me. I wanted to show you how slick the grass is anyway. Cool. Kind of wet out here to be doing this. I don't know if any of you even know what a skimboard is. Normally you take this to the beach and plop it down in the surf. It comes up over the sand and ride it. I think if Nathaniel gets up soon enough before this starts melting, he'll be out here doing this. One more time. Look, we've got an eagle. We've got the eagle wondering what I'm doing out here. See if I can get his attention. He's up there in the tree. Well, we got geese down there. I just fed the animals. That is so cool. And I don't know if you can see. That's melted water. It's not freezing right now, so this ground is not gonna last much longer for skimboarding. It's a little wet out here. I didn't have any other way of showing you what's going on. It's the 25th of January. We've had snow. We've had high water. And now we've got an ice storm. Perfect skimboarding in the yard weather. I came out here a while ago and the video recorded some skimboard activity. And it's really worsening. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday the 25th of January. And up until now it hadn't been sticking to the trees. Just now starting. Still pooling up. I don't think the roads are 100% glazed over, but if it keeps this up, they will be. Those trees up there will probably be white before this is all over with ice. I'm trying to get Nathaniel out of here and do some skimboarding. We've had our breakfast. The kids, Will is over here. Kids have had their French toast, so they're feeling frisky. Yeah, they'll be out here pretty soon. I wanted to show you this. This is a food area on our back porch. We got bird seed in the bottom one. We got whole kernel corn up here in the top. And in the middle I've got dog food. Well, what happens at night, the raccoons get up here, and I could tell they were here early this morning, or actually late this morning, because it was real dirty and there was icicles hanging from the edge of this door here. And there's still a little hint of an icicle. I don't know if you can see it. Little hint of an icicle here, where their bodies were evidently real wet when they climbed up here, and They don't close the door behind them. This is how I find the dog food box in the morning. And still a little hint of an icicle down here. And the prints, you can't see very much of it right now, but right here is a print, a raccoon print. I have not been able to video record them yet, but evidently their bodies were wet this morning because there was icicles hanging off that door. Well, the conditions are worsening. Not even 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Not quite there yet. But everybody got hungry. Squirrels, the geese. This looks awfully dangerous. Go for it. Got this camera under my hoodie here. Will has never tried it. This is the first time. Stay on the back, Will. Stay toward the back. It may be. Will's trying to sneak up on the... We don't have much of a hill here. Well, it wasn't all of that exciting. It continues to rain. Kids are wanting to go to a sledding hill. I'm against it because it's too wet and cold.
Okay, that's really cool. Well, let's go see what he's trying to do.
Cool? Did you say cool? Cool. Oh, well, there they are. They're heading over to the other icicle truck. None of us adults have ever been kids before. They're heading over to a hill. It's going to be muddy. melting, wet. They're going to get bruised. Part of growing up. I hear you! This is last week's trash pile out of the backyard, now glazed over with ice. And a few icicles. It's starting to melt. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon on the 25th. That makes a nice little picture there. Not rain, it's melting ice. I went my eagle again. Came out here to video record the water falling off the trees. Pretty much subsided. The heat of the sun is really warming things up quickly. A lot of steam coming off the yard. Real cool out here, probably about 35, maybe 40. Sun feels good. 26th of January, the thaw is on. The ice storm is history. Wish the eagle would come back. He probably will. What you got? Oh my! Hold on. Let's examine this.
That's disgusting. Why would you even pick that up?
It is disgusting.
I don't know.
Nathaniel.
It looks cool.
Ah.